Welcome to Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Review. In this video, we are going to provide you with the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Review, and give you a comprehensive detail it. Striking a balance between effectiveness and ease of use has always been a priority of supplement manufacturers and reviewers alike. No one wants to have to choke down terrible tasting supplements once daily in order to obtain the health benefits they've been promised. At the same time, there's little public interest in ineffective supplements that taste good but provide little when it comes to measurable benefits to wellness. The most successful supplements in our minds are those that combine a simple and easy-to-digest formula with a litany of effective ingredients. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is being offered as the ideal convergence of convenience with efficiency. The formula is apparently packed with powerful antioxidants, and it comes with a delicious taste. The concept has been around for generations, and the Flat Belly Tonic website makes no attempt to hide this fact. Just mix the supplement in with water and enjoy in the morning. Sounds simple, right? The bulk of our work today involved a deep dive into the research behind key ingredients used in this weight loss supplement. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic website claims that its leading supplement can help users to obtain metabolic support, as well as lower levels of inflammation and healthier energy levels throughout the day. These are some lofty claims. Improvements to both energy and inflammation could be life-changing for some of our readers. This is why we took great care to carefully vet all of the health-related claims on the official product website for this supplement. It's important to realize that you should never expect a supplement to do all the work for you. Losing weight is a simple matter. Burning more calories than you consume will mean that you lose weight. However, the metabolism is an underlying influencer of how much weight you'll likely lose during your routine. Additionally, inflammation can make it harder to exercise consistently, while low energy levels can similarly ruin the exercise experience for consumers. By addressing both of these massive barriers, solutions like the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic have the capacity to change the course of any weight loss routine. What is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is based on a formula inspired by ancient Japan's Okinawa region. It's a known fact that the Okinawa region didn't have a single obese person in the entirety of the place. Their fit body and robust immune system resulted in the longest life expectancy in the region. Over the years, it was observed that the ingredients they used in their daily meals were passed down to them by their ancestors and were the reason behind their fit and slim body. One of the prime causes of obesity and fat retention is when the C-reactive protein, CRP, disturbs the ordinary functioning of the mitochondria inside the body and deactivates it. The entire process is also responsible for low metabolic activity. Without an active metabolism, the body loses its efficiency of burning fat and calories at its most optimum levels. Some studies have also shown that many people have toxic molecules in their bodies, and due to increased weight, it is difficult to flush them out of the system. According to the official website, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a unique blend of berries and foods that creates a chain reaction within the body after food consumption. The formula used in this weight loss supplement may help the body to start expelling the CRP, which in return gives your body a natural fat-burning capability, and it also may help boost metabolism. The entire process is designed in a way that helps users lose weight rapidly, even while resting. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic's official website has claimed that the supplement is safe for all and does not require any strict diets or exercise regimen. Why do you want Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is formulated with 100% natural ingredients that could help individuals eliminate excessive weight. Flat Belly Tonic comes in the form of a powder, hence it can be consumed easily with water or any protein shake. This weight loss supplement starts working from the root cause, and it directly attacks the excessive fat buildups that result in quick weight loss. The main reason behind the success of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is its ingredients. Here is a list of main ingredients that makes Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic an effective solution for weight loss. Ingredients of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic claims the tonic is 100% organic, natural, and GMO-free, including a variety of herbs, plants, and berries, which makes the tonic vegetarian. We have classified ingredients based on their main metabolic properties and antioxidant ingredients. The first section contains central metabolic ingredients to help boost the base metabolic rate to burn fat. These ingredients are piperine. It is found mainly in black and long pepper and is known for its ability to burn fat in the body and eliminates fat storage. EGCG. This is a plant extract found in green and white tea. Epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, is famous for reducing inflammation in the body, and it also prevents brain and heart diseases. Hibiscus sabdurifa. This ingredient is beneficial for controlling blood sugar levels, helps in weight management, maintains liver health, and improves fat loss. Inulin. It is a type of fiber found in many vegetables such as wheat, onions, leeks, and asparagus. Inulin is very useful in weight loss and improves the digestive system of the body. The other ingredients are antioxidants that are a rich source of vitamins and minerals, therefore promoting a healthy body. Mulberry. It helps in controlling blood sugar levels and cholesterol in the body. Mulberry contains a fair amount of rutin compound, which helps improve the body's fat-burning capabilities. Aronia berry. It is famous for its rich source of antioxidants. Its properties help strengthen your immune system, boost energy, and add to your general dietary fiber requirement. Momordica charantia. This ingredient is found in the tropical region and is extracted from the tropical vines. It is known for reducing the amount of belly fat and also controls blood sugar levels. Acai berry. This ingredient is commonly used in various smoothie bowls. This berry helps maintain cholesterol levels and reduces the amount of fat absorbed after food consumption. Final verdict. Among the many scam weight loss supplements available in the market, it is challenging to select a legit one. Many are formulated with chemical and harmful additives that may cause adverse effects on your body rather than help you with weight loss. Hence it is essential to research well before investing in any such health supplements. Many users have reviewed Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic as an effective and powerful weight loss supplement. The reason behind the tonic's success is that it is an all-natural product, and it's 100% safe to consume as it has no side effects. You can visit its official website to find all the information regarding the product's ingredients and uses. There are customer testimonials also available to be double sure regarding the tonic's legitimacy. Another fact is that Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic comes with a 60 days money-back guarantee, and you can get your money back if you are not satisfied with it. Prices for this supplement are nothing extreme, which is certainly a positive. Additionally, the ingredients used in the Flat Belly Tonic are backed by at least some scientific research. The triple threat approach to weight loss is also impressive. This supplement claims to help decrease inflammation, increase energy levels, and supercharge the metabolism. Some supplements only choose to target one aspect of weight loss, but this particular formula is a great way to target all three. Some evidence absolutely supports these benefits of the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. The core ingredients of this supplement are backed by science within the alternative medical field, and it is likely that some consumers will see notable benefits after just a few weeks of consistent use. The money-back guarantee also provides a unique way for people to try the supplement with little or no risk. Remember, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic can only be purchased from their official website. You will find the link in the description below this video. Thank you for taking the time to get more info before getting the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic.